Come here. Ready? Oh. Alright, up. Okay. Oh, okay, okay. Hold on. He wants to. Come here.
Well, you know he's just gonna crawl to you.
In this game, we need to find words that rhyme with cat. This is the word cat. Cat. And what do we have here?
Actually, come away from this table.
They sound alike, don't they?
Alex, look at Daddy. Look at Daddy.
They do. Cat and rat rhyme. We're not done yet. So get set for more rhyming when we come back.
Come here. Come here. Come. No. Oh, you were doing so good.
He just
You were
wants
doing
to.
so good.
He just wants to watch TV.
Let's say the
Okay,
word
ready?
hedgehog together.
Ready? Ready? You gotta do it by yourself. You ready? Okay. Come on. Come here. Alex. Alex, come here. Alex, come here.
He's too busy watching TV. He just wants to start the TV.
What are you doing?
Erase that cocky face. These things take time.
See if you can get him to.
Story of the tortoise and the hare. Say, here's our pal Cedric the Entertainer.
Alex.
Have you heard the tale of
Hi.
the tortoise and the hare? Are you kidding me? Who's the tortoise?
Well, look at you. Ah, baby attack. Come go get mommy.
Come here. Ah!
Oh, so close, kiddo.
Okay, you ready? Okay. Okay. You get so excited.
Oh, look at the baby. Okay. Oh, up, 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 up. Oh.
Are we gonna try? Are you ready to try it again?
Alex.
Oh. Damn it.
You're too excited, kiddo.
He is.